The next math notes is about domain and range, which is actually the topic of lesson 113, so it fits right in. So just to review the definitions of domain and range, the set of all possible values for the input of a function is called the domain of the function. This set consists of every input value for x for which the function is defined. The range of the function is the set of possible values of the output. This set contains every y value that the function can generate. The domain and range are often written with inequality notation, as we're going to show in the examples below. So greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. The symbols negative infinity and infinity represent positive and negative infinity. They mean that the domain goes on without ending in a positive or negative direction. Infinity is not a number, it's a concept. So when you think of the idea of infinity, think of the biggest possible number that you can think of. You can always add one more to it. So a couple examples of domain and range. If the domain of any number is any number between and including -2 and -7, we would write the domain as -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 7. So it's telling us that the domain is between -2 and +7, including both of those numbers. If the range is any number greater than but excluding 4, we would write the range as y is greater than 4. Okay. Or we can say that 4 less than y is less than infinity. So that's telling us that it can go anywhere from 4 to infinity, which is it's the same inequality. It's just another way of showing it. If the domain is all numbers except for -3, we would write that x is not equal to -3. Right, that x is not equal to -3. And if the domain is all real numbers, using an inequality, we would write, okay, it's negative infinity is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to positive infinity.